Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. In my last video class, we just discussed about some question of exercise 5.3, and today I also discuss about exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3 about some question whatever left. First of all, we should take one question from 8 which is asked in 2013. Question number 8 first. Question number 8 first. And the question is x square minus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. And the question is solve the following quadratic equation for x and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Means we have to find the value of x correct to 2 decimal places. X square minus 5x minus 10. Now first of all we should compare the given equation by standard form of the quadratic equation. Compare by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We find that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 10. Now by quadratic formula, or by Sridharacharya method, x is equal to under root b square, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. Now put the value of b here, that is b minus of minus 5 under root b square, it will be minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 10. C is minus 10 upon 2 into 1. This value is equal to 5 here plus minus under root 25, again minus and minus will be plus, 10 4s are 40 by 2, and its value will be 5 plus minus under root 65 by 2. Now we know that square root of 65 after calculation, when we find its square root, we find that under root 65 is equal to 8.062. Now put the value of under root 65, that is 8.062. Then here it will be 5 plus minus 8.062 by 2. Here x is 1. Now here it will take, first we take the plus sign and then minus sign. Then it will be x is equal to 5 plus 8.062 by 2 or 5 minus 8.062 by 2. Then it will be 13.062 by 2, or if we subtract this 5 minus 8.062, then its value will be minus 3 point, then its value will be, how will we subtract? Here it will be minus 3.062 by 2. After calculation, here we find that it will be 6.531 or 6.531 or minus 1.531. Now the question is find the value up to correct to 2 decimal place, up to 2 decimal place. Since we want to find its value of x up to 2 decimal place, so here up to 2 decimal place is 0.53. Now we see the number which is at the third place, that is 1. So here if it is 5 or more than 5, then 3 we can increase 1, but here it is 1, therefore the value of x will be 6.53, and similarly here also minus 1.53, and this is the answer of the question. Okay, now we see one more question, that is question number 9. Now we see question number 9. This is the question number 9. Now question number 9 first. Let us see question number 9 first. Question number 9 first is 4x square minus 5x minus 4x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Here after comparing we find that a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 3. Then value of x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. Again it put its value, it will be minus of minus 5 minus of minus 5 plus minus under root d square means minus 5 square, that will be 25 minus 4 and a, what is a, that is 4 into 4, and c, what is c, that is minus 3 into minus 3, and upon 2a, 2 into a means 4. This is the value. So minus of minus 5 plus minus under root b square, here minus 5 square will be 25 and minus 4ac minus 4, and the place of a we put just 4 and c is minus 3, then here minus 3. Then its value will be minus of minus will be plus 5 plus minus under root here 25 minus of minus will be plus 4 plus 16, that is 48 upon 8. 48 upon 8. Its value will be 5 plus minus under root. If we add, then it will be 73 upon 8. Again, we should know what is the square root of 73, and you should try to know how we can find the square root. This is given in class 7 or 8. Here 73 under root 73 is equal to 8.544 here, 8.54. Then its value will be 5 plus 8.544 by 8. If we first we take the plus sign, then minus sign. It will be 5 minus 8.544 by 8. Then here x is equal to, if we add, then it will be 13.544 by 8 or 13.544 by 8 or minus 3.544 by 8. Okay. Now 13.544 by 8, its value will be 1.69 or its value will be 0.4. Its value will be 0.4. This is the answer of this question. Now let us see about the question number 10 first. That is second part of the question number 10. Second part, which is asked in 2011. The question is, solve the following quadratic equation and give your answer correct to two significant figures. So first of all, we should know what is the difference between up to correct two decimal place and two significant figure. What is the difference between answer in two significant figure and answer in up to correct two decimal place? Just like if here example, here if the 3.237 is given, 237 is given, then the question is, if x is equal to 3.237, then first up to two decimal place up to two decimal place. So for two decimal place we take only this, means 3.23, but we just see the number what is given after 3, which is 7, means greater than 5. Therefore here 3 will be increased by 1, therefore its value will be 3.24. Getting? This is up to two decimal place 3.24. Why 3.24? Because up to two decimal place 2, 3, and here 7 is greater than 5, more than 5, therefore the 3 will be increased by 1, that is 3.24. We just take the concept of round up figure, whatever given in I think class 7, 6 or 7. Now if the same answer for x is equal to 3.237, but we should think about the another point of view, means find its answer up to two significant figure up to two significant figure. So up to two significant figure we just take x is equal to, here x is equal to this much, x is equal to 3.2 only. Up to two significant figure means 3 and 2, two significant. Two decimal place means two decimal place, and two significant figure means 3, 2, 1. But here 3 given, and 3 is less than 5, therefore there will be no change in 2. Up to two significant figure, its value will be 3.2. Getting? But here we just see the other next point, that is 3. Therefore there will be no increase in 2. Simply we will write x is equal to 3.2. One more is, if x is equal to 795, and the same thing, the first one up to two decimal place, then it will be x is equal to 1.79, but here 5, then it will be increased by 1, and if we increase by 1, then it will be 0, and here this one 8, and it will be 1.80. Getting? Why? Because 1.79 will be increased by 1, then 9 plus 1 10, 0, 7 and 1 8, 12 will be 1.8. Okay, up to two decimal place. Second one, up to two significant figure. Up to two significant figure, it should be x is equal to 1.7, but here 9 more than 5, therefore it will be increased by 1, its value will be 1.8. Then we, according to question, we have to give our answer. If the question is saying that find the value of x up to two decimal place, then we have to think like this way. The answer of x will be like this, and up to two significant figure, the answer will be changed like this. It is very important part in the question. So you try to understand this very carefully. Now let us solve the solution of the given question. That is question number 10 second. Very important question. At least one question you must get in your board exam. Here, x minus 18 by x. The frame of the question paper is like this: x minus 18 by x. Then we can write it here: x square minus 18 by x is equal to 6. This is x square minus 18 is equal to 6x. This can be written as x square minus 6x minus 18 is equal to 0. Now compare it by the standard form of the quadratic equation. We find a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to minus 18. Again we use by quadratic formula or by Sidrachar method. Quadratic formula. We know that x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. Getting? So here its value will be minus 6. The minus of minus 6 will be 6 plus minus under root b square minus 6 whole square, it will be 36 minus 4 and a is what? 1. And what is c? c is minus 18 by 2 into a, that is 8. Okay. Then here x is equal to what? 6 plus minus under root 36 plus what? 72. It will be 72. 18 4 is 72. So here minus minus plus and 18 4 is 72 by 2 into a. What is a? That is 1. Then its value will be 2. Then 6 plus minus under root what? 6 to 8 and 7 3 10. 185. Then value of x will be 6 plus under root 108 by 2 or 6 minus under root 108 by 2. If any student only give this much answer, so he is not able to get the total marks of the question, because the question is find the answer, find the value of x up to two significant figures. Therefore, we must solve the value of, we must find the value of under root 108. Okay. So here the value of 108 we can write here 36 into 3. We can write here 36 into 3. Why? Because this is a 18 carry 1, this is a 9 1 10. The 108 can be written as 36 into 3 and here this can be written as 6 under root 3, because the square root of 36 is 6. Then 6 root 3 and when 6 multiplied 1.732. Then if we multiply it, then its value will be 5.196. 5 6 2 are 12. 6 3 are 18. Here this value 6 into 1.732. No need to multiply. No need to multiply. Give it like this. So here we can write just like it is 6 plus 6 into root 3 by 2 or 6 minus 6 root 3 by 2. 6 into root 3 by 2. Now take 2 common in numerator and denominator. If take 2 common, then it will be 3 plus 3 root 3 by 2 or 3. You take 2 common here also, then here 3 minus 3 root 3 by 2. Again 2 and 2 cancel, here 2 cancel. Its value will be 3 plus 3 root 3 or 3 minus 3 root 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 root. Then its value will be 3 plus 3 into 1.732 are 3 minus 3 into 1.732. Okay. After calculation, we find that its value will be 3 plus 5.196 or 3 minus 5.196. Okay. Now let us see the next step. After that, here onto this side. Here x is equal to 5 and 3, 8.196 are minus 2.196. 8.196 and 2.196. But the question is up to two significant figure. So here up to two significant figure, it will be 8 here. Concentrate here. 8.1. But here, what is the next value? 9. Therefore, 1 will be increased by 1 and its value will be 8.2. Here minus 2.19 given, but we take two significant figure means 2.1, but the next value is what? 9. Therefore, it will be increased by 1. Then its value will be minus 2.2. Therefore, its answer will be 8.2 or minus 2.2. So, we can say the two roots of the given equation x minus 18 by x is equal to 6 are 8.2 or minus 2.2. This is the answer according to question up to two significant figure. Now, the last question is given. Solve the equation 5x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 and give your answer correct to two significant figures. This is the question number 11 of the new. Question number 11 of the new. So similarly, here also we try to solve with the help of quadratic formula, and here we take three significant figure. Again, the question how we take the three significant figure. I will try to explain how we take the three significant figure. Okay. This is the question number 11. For example, let the value of x is, after solving the problem, finally we get the value of x. Now, let us take the value of x is equal to 1.738 and the value of r 0.738. Okay, 738. Here let us see, this is a 3 point and here minus 1. Okay, r minus 1.738. Then how we take up to three significant figure? Up to three significant figure. Okay, this is not the solution. This is not the answer of question number 11. Here I want to tell you only about the meaning of three significant figure. We just consider that after solving question number 11, let the value of x is this much or this much. Then how we take up to three significant figure? Up to three significant figure will be this 3.732 to 1, 2, 3. Three significant figure 3.73. But here what is the next digit? That is 8. Therefore, here 3 will be increased by 1 and it will be 3.72. Now three significant figure 1, 2, 3. 3 significant. R minus 1.73, but again here 8, then it will be increased by 1, 1.7. In this way, here this is the total about the exercise 5.3. Okay, Our next topic is nature of roots of a quadratic equation. This topic is also very important, and always you get one question from this topic. Okay, so in next video I would like to explain the nature of roots of a quadratic equation, and I will try to finish in my next video the exercise 5.4. Okay, I hope we will solve up to exercise 5.3. Therefore, homework, solve up to exercise 5.3. Okay, thank you.